Movements are used to generate in-camera transitions. Additionally, transitions also represent a shift in the narrative. When the camera movement appears natural in the video, these transitions function better. They can also be very creative, depending on the need for transition from scene to scene. In-camera transitions are much different from transitions used in video editing or in post-production. These types of transitions are made during the video shoot with the camera and then put together in post-production. In-camera transitions are unique, and videographers who master these types of transitions bend the rules to make the coolest transitions. With that being said, let's check out some of the in-camera transitions. Welcome to WeGotMedia. We are a multimedia agency that offers professional services and training in all areas of digital media such as graphic design, video production, audio production, and digital marketing. This channel is dedicated in providing free informational tips and easy tutorials on how to make digital content using various software in the digital media space. Number 1. Invisible cut. By making the end frame of your first clip and the beginning frame of your second clip identical, the invisible cut hides your cut. Even though this has been done numerous times in movie history, Birdman is probably the best current example. Many of the cuts in this movie were hidden by the invisible transition, creating the appearance of a one-shot. Some of the other examples would be the church fight scene in The Kingsman and in the TV show Mr. Robot, in episode 5 of season 3. Number 2. Whip pan. The whip pan is a transition that emphasizes movement more. It enters a new shot by using the motion of your camera swinging in any direction. Then, if you make a new shot that starts by repeating this action, you will have effectively linked your two clips together aesthetically. For instance, if your first shot was whipped right, make sure your second shot is whipped left. The two whips will blend the shot into one in your audience's minds. Number 3. Crossing the frame. A person or object crossing the frame of your shot creates a crossing the frame transition. While this transition will require a little more editing and fine-tuning, the results will be well worth it because it has the potential to be the most visually appealing. Number 4. Sky-to-sky transition. This transition requires you to move to the next scene by using the visual image of the sky. To perfect this, you must first hover in the sky for a few seconds before arriving at the main scene. Number 5. Spiral-to-spiral transition. The spiral-to-spiral transition creates such a wallowing effect. It is frequently used in videos where the editor wants to create that swallowing effect, such as when someone falls into a metaphysical atmospheric hole. Number 6. The push in and pull out. This simple move requires that you move your hand, a hat, or anything toward the camera right at the lens. Number 7. Same color in and out. It is used to transition from one scene to the next, from one of the studio's talking scenes to a completely different scene that is diametrically opposed to the former. Number 8. Mask into transition. This form of transition allows editors to take use of a video bomber. You can actually use their movement to transition to the next scene. Number 9. Fill-in transition. Another transition that uses an object or a person to take you from one scene to another. This is similar to mask into transition without the need to move or have motion to transition to the next scene. Number 10. Directional blur. Directional blur transitions are easy to spot. It simply blurs you to the next scene. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more informational videos related to the media industry. See you in the next video.